Hey Domain, how you going? Welcome to our house.
Come in, we'll take you for a tour. Well, welcome to our living space. We're so excited to take you through it. All the work that went into this area is to just create that warm, inviting environment. You spend your most time here with your family, so we really wanted to encapsulate that in this living space.
Absolutely, and a big thing for us as well, because we did want to do the timber on the ceiling, was doing the tiles on the ground, and for us we did the underfloor heating. So as soon as you walk in, you actually can feel how beautiful and nice and warm your feet feel.
And we love the heat, obviously, because we're from the heat, and you know it's a very, very cold environment here for a lot of time of the year. So to create that warm space, what Britt said, real cozy cabin vibes.
Sit by the fire.
It's just something, yeah, it's something we're really being able to capture in this beautiful space. No, welcome to our master bedroom. This is something that we created together to really sell the dream. This is where you lay your head every night.
What we've done is we've actually flipped the layout. So we've extended the wall and now your bed looks out into your backyard. So when you have the curtains open, you see out into your beautiful backyard, you can see your pool. It's just creating that like resort-like feel. When you step outside, you can have a morning tea out in the chairs out there. So it's just about creating that atmosphere.
I think looking up at the Velux is the best thing as well. These skylights are just second to none. They all black out and everything like that as well, but when you're laying down at night and you look up, you see the stars, you feel pretty relaxed, you feel very at home, and that's what the space we wanted to create. Welcome to our guest suite, and we stick to the same color palette, but we really wanted to make this room a section of the house where you can lock off to create that vibe where if someone wanted to rent this place out, just this place, or if they wanted to stay in this area, they could, and they could be separate from the house. This
is a very grand guest bedroom. Like the size of this is enormous, and the bathroom is probably, we were saying probably it was almost one of our best ones that we've done. Easily. Although we didn't finish at the time, we now absolutely love this space. You have the beautiful doors which open out into your front yard. And then from there, you've got like a dining table. So you can sit out there, have breakfast, look at the trees. And it's supposed to be, a beautiful calming space, very on brand with the rest of the house.
You'll love this. This is the most talked about room on the block this year, I reckon, easily. Sure. I reckon we nailed it.
The gym's something you're going to use every day, and to be able to have aircon and heating in it creates that perfect atmosphere. That's not going to be a forgotten space. You're actually going to use this space.
We kept the same colour palette, we kept the same sort of design styles and the custom arched mirrors as well.
But it's multi-purpose. If someone wanted to add more gym equipment in here, they could add a treadmill, they could add some more weights. Then you step outside and you have your recovery outside. So it's definitely multi-purpose. And I mean, look, if wellness really, really isn't your thing, whereas if I think we are going for that wellness buy, then someone could easily put a pool table in here and make it a games room or make it a cinema. But you know what? We're trying to stand out from the crowd.
The pressures have been there to change it, but from the local people at Dalesford, from our real estate agent to our landscaper, everyone has said, we can't change this. It's the absolute selling point of this house. Thanks, Domain. Thanks for stopping by.
I hope you guys enjoyed our house.
Bye.